Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock the daisy tea recipe in Heartopia. So it calls for daisies, 2 daisies, and 2 of the tea leaves, which you will unlock once you've reached gardening hobby level 11, 12? I don't remember, guys. I'm so sorry. I think 11 or 10. I don't know. But basically, you'll need to be level 12 of the cooking hobby, and you will need to purchase the green tea recipe. Also, this only works with the white. Actually, I've heard it only works with the white daisy, but I don't know why there's options. So maybe it does work with all of the daisy colors. But let's just unlock this recipe first and we'll see how this goes. It takes 7 clicks to cook this. Um, Also, again, you need to unlock the green tea recipe first. So cook that first before changing the milk to daisies. So I'm just going to cook it and I'll be right back with the finished results. Okay, let's see if that worked. Okay, this is the daisy tea, super cute. Let's see if we cook it again. Let's see the recipe, if we're allowed to use other. Oh, okay, so it does only use the white daisies only once you've unlocked it, but when you're like unlocking it first, you can choose any color maybe, but I suggest you just using the white daisy so it works. Because I don't see like any other daisy colors here. So anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!